How to clear cache in Google Home app. Is your Google Home app running slow or acting glitchy? Let's fix it by clearing the cache. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap App or App Management depending on your phone's model. From the list, find and tap Google Home. You will see two options: Clear Data, Clear Cache. Now tap Clear Cache and boom, all the temporary files are wiped out and your app should run smoother. Don't worry, clearing cache won't delete your device or settings, it just clean up the junk. And here's the pro tip. If the app is still giving you trouble, you can tap clear data, but that will reset the app completely and you will need to sign in again. Use it only if needed. And that's it. Your Google Home app is fresh, clean, and ready to go. If this helped, hit like, drop a question in the comment, and subscribe for more quick fun tech tips. Catch you in the next one.